See, NEET exam chemistry paper. Chemistry paper la, now I am going to explain about that questions. The answer should be, you have to find it. The energy of a electron is maximum at, that is a question. The energy of electron is maximum at where? That is a question we have to find. 4 options are given. The first option is nucleus, second option is ground state, third option is first excited state, fourth option is infinite distance from the nucleus. See, the first option is totally wrong. The nucleus, in the nucleus there cannot be any electrons. In nucleus we cannot find electrons. We can find electrons in outside the first state. There the electron charge is minus 13.6 electron volt. See, the reason is when the electron is near the nucleus, electron is a positive charge, nucleus is electron is a negative charge, nucleus is a positive charge. Definitely there is a interaction between them. That's a light of attraction between them. So if the electron is away from the nucleus, if the electron and the nucleus not see each other, away from the nucleus, the electrons will get more energy. In the first excited state, see, minus 13.6 electron volt by 2 square, then 3 square, then 4 square. Then in infinity, that will be 0. That will be 0. There will not be any force of attraction, anything else. In the force of attraction irukadu, infinity la poga. So in infinity distance from the nucleus la irukumbodhu, the electron will get maximum energy. So the D is a right answer. When the electron is in the infinite distance from the nucleus, the electron will get a more energy. This is the first question. Then second question is the longest wavelength of the Paschen series in M. Then shortest wavelength of the that is a helium plus, helium positive ions, then beryllium 3 plus, the Paschen series in M. Then the shortest wavelength of beryllium 3 plus in Paschen series. There is a questions. But helium வந்து helium electron charge, atomic charge in helium, atomic number is 2. Atomic number is 2. So the atomic number is 2. Helium la. So Z equal to 2. Longest wavelength arnana, there will be less energy. Shortest wavelength arnana, there is more energy. There is a formula, nu bar equal to 1 by lambda RH Z square. Z is a atomic number of the element. 1 by n1 square plus minus 1 by n2 square. Here it is a Paschen series. The first series is, the first series is Lyman series, that is n equal to 1. Second series is Balmer series, that's n equal to 2. The third one is Paschen series. Paschen series n equal to 3. So n equal to 3, n1 equal to 3, n2 equal to 4, 5, 6. That means the third orbit is a Paschen series. The electron will jump from 4th and 5th and 6th, 7th, 8th orbits. That is a explanation. Now we have to the helium 1 by lambda 1 by lambda equal to Rebock constant, that is RH. Z is 2 square, 2 square is 4. 1 minus n1 square is n1 is 3, 9. Minus n2 is 4, 4 is 16. Okay, now you have to calculate it. 144, 7 by 144 into 4. 4 is outside, you know, that is a atomic number. It is 36. 36. So 1 by m equal to 7 RH by 36. So RH equal to 36 by 7m. That's a helium. Now we are going to take the beryllium 3 plus. Beryllium 3 plus konde atomic number வந்து 4. Atomic number 4. So 1 by lambda dash equal to RH. 4 into 4 16. Z square is 16. 1 by n square is also in Paschen series. So 3 into 3 9. Minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity. The electron jump from 1 by infinity. So any number divided by infinity is 0. So lambda dash equal to RH 16 by 9. 16 by 9. 16 by 9, that is 9 by 16. 9 by 16. Now we have to 36 by 7m. In RH we have to put 36 by 7m. Now 7m by 9 by 16 into 36. 36 cut panna, that becomes 4. So 7m by 64. That is the answer. Now you have to see in the choices. 5 by 36m wrong. 64 by 7m wrong. 53 by 8m is wrong. 7 by 64m is wrong. Here so 6 by 7m by 64 is right. That is the right answer. This question, energy is equal to h nu. So energy equal to hc by lambda. You have to take it. The formula you have to derive it. 1 by lambda RH z square 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here n1 is 3. That is Paschen series. Paschen is 3. Lyman is 1. Balmer is 2. Paschen is 3. So 3 square means 9. Fourth, the electron jump from fourth to 3. So here it is 4. 4 square is 16. So we have to calculate it. Then for beryllium 4. For beryllium the atomic number is 4. And so we have to calculate it and substitute it. The answer will be 7m by 64. That's the correct answer. Thank you.